Okay, so this video is going to be an appointment calendar that I have created. You can get a copy for yourself. You do have to be logged into Google. But again, those are free for students, so you can put this in a Google Classroom. I just choose the share option on some of these as we don't really use a Google Classroom at our college. But this is a basic appointment book for medical appointments. And so I've created a couple of entries. All right, so what we can do here is change the start date, right? So let's change, okay, and you will see it changes all the dates here. I can change the date to a midweek if I want, and you will see that it's been set up so that it skips weekends, right? It just does Monday through Friday, which are work days. You can do appointment start times, right? This is totally up to you. Biggest thing here is just to specify, obviously, AM or PM, because that is how the times are set, so you can change. And then you can change the appointment intervals if you want to do every 30 minutes, every 15 minutes, right? Every 10 minutes, it's going to adjust this little side corner time slots here for you. All right, so I have some activities that are written up in my textbooks, and it's easy enough to try to figure out how to schedule some appointments, right? You could just give them a list of, schedule this appointment for this patient, and then they show and all this other stuff. But let's say we've got an appointment scheduled here, right, for 6:30 a.m. on Wednesday. On the left-hand side, they can choose, right? There's some options here. Let's say it's a blood pressure check. It will automatically code once you do this. If you just want to, start by blocking off certain sections of the notebook, easy enough. DNS, do not schedule, right? They would just place this in any slots or locations where we don't want to put patients. And in order to take that out, all you simply do is, right, go into this little drop menu and take out these words. All right, once they're done with doing some scheduling, right, I'm having my students create patient reminder cards. So this is part of the activity. And so I've created a reminder card on the second page. All they got to do is just click into these lines. They can physically just type, right, the information you want to show in those locations. When they're done, I'm just going to use the share button. They can certainly send it, send a copy, print a copy, whatever it is you want to do to collect these bits of information. You can certainly change, right, who these are for, right, if you want to change the headers. All of those things are open to you. So this is how this basic spreadsheet works. So I will be posting a copy for you down below. I will be shortly creating some videos on how to create one of these on your own. So if you're more of a tech person, absolutely, I'll be creating some videos on how to complete these so that you can make your own. Hope this was helpful and hope you enjoy the activity. Thank you.